Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the exact Amazon Meds anti-chlorine formula and the labeled concentration so you dose correctly. Measure the water volume you're treating and calculate dose immediately. For example, follow 1 bottle per 1,000 L or the label's guidance. Once measured, put on gloves and ensure good ventilation. This protects you from fumes and spills. Do not mix with acids or other treatments. Combining chemicals alters effectiveness. Begin dosing at one point for even distribution. Once you've added the initial dose, continue by distributing the product slowly at several points around the water to avoid local overdosing. Make sure the system is circulating or aerating for at least 30 to 60 minutes so the active agents can neutralize chlorine uniformly. Monitor residual chlorine and pH with accurate test strips or meters. If levels remain high, add another measured dose incrementally. This staged approach prevents spikes and ensures the product neutralizes chlorine effectively while preserving water balance. Finish by confirming the target chlorine reduction and stable pH. Test again and only stop when readings meet the recommended range. Once done, allow the full contact time stated on the label and run your filter or circulation for an additional 60 minutes to clear reaction byproducts. If chlorine remains elevated, make sure you didn't miss a source of contamination, then repeat a small, calculated dose rather than a large dose. If cloudiness or irritation persists, pause use and consult product support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.